deleted important contacts from iPhone by mistake, or have lost contacts from iPhone due to system error or iOS system update and you don't have any backup on iCloud or iTunes. Now want to recover contacts from iPhone? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch the video and follow the steps by downloading Data Recovery software from the links in description and pin comment to restore contacts from iPhone without backup. Hey folks, myself Akhil from Development Engineers back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted contacts on iPhone without backup. There are many instances when you forgot to enable iCloud or iTunes backup or have deleted some contacts by mistake and then find that some important contacts are missing. First, using the same way, you can not only recover contacts but can also recover deleted photos, videos, documents, audios and much more. So without wasting any time, let's get started to know how to recover deleted contacts from iPhone without backup. And for this, we will be using a professional iPhone data recovery software from FonePaw. FonePaw iPhone data recovery software is designed for iOS users to retrieve lost data due to many instances like iPhone system crash, device water damage, or accidentally delete all data. The best part is that FonePaw can recover various types of deleted files like text messages, documents, call logs, media files, and it also supports almost all latest iOS devices with iOS 17 system update. First, there are many ways we can recover deleted photos on iPhone without backup using FonePaw. Simply follow these 3 simple steps to get all your data back. Wow, that's quite impressive. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit FonePaw iPhone data recovery software official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once FonePaw iPhone data recovery software free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have FonePaw iPhone data recovery software with all its features and capabilities. From here we can recover data from iOS devices. Next we have recover data from iTunes backup file. Next is recover data from iCloud. In the end, we have more tools like FonePaw iPhone system recovery and FonePaw iPhone transfer. First, we can do so much with FonePaw iPhone data recovery software, but today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted contacts from iPhone without backup. And for this, click recover from iOS devices. Next, connect the iOS device to computer by USB. Once connected, here it shows the iPhone model with device name. Now to restore deleted iPhone contacts, click on Start Scan. It starts scanning, and within a few seconds, it starts showing up data from iPhone. Once scanning gets completed, here it shows data which is available to be recovered from iPhone. See, here we have pictures from camera roll, contacts, call logs. As we are looking to retrieve deleted contacts on iPhone, so simply click on contacts. Now from here we can filter contacts with show deleted only. See, here we have 2 contacts which were deleted and are missing from iPhone. First, the best part is that we can restore these missing contacts on iPhone directly. But before we restore them, let me show you the number of contacts I have currently on my iPhone. See, here I have 211 contacts on iPhone. Let's restore deleted contacts on iPhone, and for that simply click on restore to device. Within seconds, our missing contacts are restored, and see that the iPhone contacts are updated to 213 now. Well, not only we can restore deleted contacts on iPhone, but can also recover them to PC. Simply select deleted contacts. Now click recover. From here we can select location where we want to save recovered contacts. Have selected desktop. Now click recover. It starts recovering, and within a few seconds data recovery completes, and it opens up the folder containing recovered contacts. Now we can browse through to look for contacts we have recovered. See, here we have our contacts in different formats. Now simply open these to view them. Wow, that's simply amazing. First, the best part is that we can restore missing contacts directly on iPhone. Well, that's not it. You can watch the step-by-step tutorial to restore deleted photos and videos from iPhone. Now you may ask, is FonePaw iPhone data recovery software free and safe to use? Well folks, it's 100% safe and offers a high success rate. The best part is that we can use it for free to scan for deleted data from iPhone and preview them. But to recover data, we will require a plan. So now let's talk about FonePaw iPhone data recovery software pricing plans, and for that here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for FonePaw iPhone data recovery software. You can choose a plan as per your requirement. First, here is an exclusive 30% discount with FonePaw Christmas sale that makes it highly affordable. I will highly recommend you to try out FonePaw iPhone data recovery software if you are looking to recover contacts, text messages, photos, videos from iPhone without backup or jailbreak. And if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Wmotioners, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone or iPad which is activation locked and now want to bypass activation lock? If yes, then this video is for you. First, looking to transfer data like photos from Android to iPhone? If yes, then this video is for you.